Brian Gamardelli here from MarineMax Huntington. Today we're on the 2025 Sea Ray 280 SLX. This boat is powered by twin 250 Mercury outboards. Does have joystick, which is really nice. Let's start at the transom here and make our way forward and go through the boat. So here at the back of the transom, you got a nice sun pad, spot to keep your phone, 2 drink holders, and a little radio control for those that want to adjust the music. Got a really nice storage area here. Any water toys, fenders, lines, lots of storage on this boat, which is always an issue when it comes to boats. Sea Ray does a really good job at that. You got your swim ladder here to starboard on the port, and you got a nice freshwater shower. So when you're coming in and out of the water, get that salt out, rinse off. You got a little cooler back here. You can store stuff in here, things like that. Your starboard side, you got a nice storage area. Small block off door here, which is nice to keep the kids and small pets inside. You got nice sea deck here on the transom, so it's soft on the feet, it's cool, nice when it gets wet, not slippery. This is one of my favorite parts of this boat. So you've got a little sideboarding step here. You pull up to a bulkhead to a restaurant. You don't have to worry about, climbing up high. This will get you there. Simply step up here, one hand on the top, and off the boat you go. Again, let's circle back to storage. So you've got a nice storage cuddy here. This whole unit, you can grab this, pull it out, and look inside the bilge, get to your batteries, your bilge pumps, and things of that sort. This boat is equipped with the snap-in vinyl flooring. We can also upgrade to sea deck if you like. Got nice illuminated cup holders here. At nighttime, this boat really glows. You've got LED lighting throughout and on the sides. It makes this boat a real head turner at nighttime, which is nice. Under our starboard side, you could access this area by lifting the cushion like I just did, or you could get a small cooler stored in there and access it through this door. You do have a drainable and cooler area here. Keep some ice and drinks in there if your cooler is overloaded. Again, more storage right under the helm seat. This boat is equipped with a power tower, so your controls for that are here. What that will do is it'll bring this tower up and down. So any windy, rainy days you get caught, this tower will come flush to the windshield and keep everyone protected. Coming to port, which Sea Ray does really nice, you got bolsters on both sides. You can sit up high, excellent visibility over the windshield. And even down low, now I'm looking mid straight through the windshield, which is really nice. A lot of nice railings, soft goods everywhere. So there's nothing, you'll get banged up on. Everything's very comfortable. So here we are at the helm. We've got dual Simrad screens. You got your joystick at a perfect location, very natural feeling here when you need to operate. You got your dual throttle controls and your brushed stainless buttons for your windlass, your bilge pumps, running lights, things of that sort. A nice cup holder for the captain and the passengers. Again, your flip-up bolster. And these seats rotate. So now the captain passenger can be involved in the conversation and entertaining that's going on in the cockpit area. You don't feel so isolated up here, which is really nice. Something that Sea Ray does very well. Let's make our way to the bow. So we got a nice block-off door. Your lockable windshield there. Again, more storage right under the helm area. So you've got a little garbage can in there now. That's what Sea Ray gives you. 2 really nice lounge seats. Again, cup holders down low, which is really nice. So when you're rocking and rolling, if so, your cup holders have a lower center of gravity, so you won't be spilling your drinks. You got access to your windlass here. You do have control at the helm, but if you choose a passenger to operate from the bow area, you do have a control there. And you also have a freshwater sprayer, so you get the anchor a little muddy, a little dirty. Rinse the chain off as it comes up. Let's make our way on the port side and check out the head. It's got a nice storage compartment here, cell phone, wallet, keys. And if you notice here, Sea Ray, they put a magnetic lock on this door. So this door will stay sturdy. You give it a little bit of effort with a push, release that magnet, and you lock the door. Just like our helm seat, port side passenger seat rotates as well. So now you have a nice circular entertaining area. This boat is meant for a lot of fun. And again, let's bring up the safety aspect. Grab handles almost everywhere you need them. Here, in the back there. And again, everything is soft. So if you have little kids, maybe some elderly family members, this is a very safe boat, a comfortable boat, and a great ride on the water. This boat will top out near 50, 55 miles per hour with a comfortable cruise in the low 30s. So you'll get to where you need to go fairly quick. If you're interested in this boat, contact me, Brian Gamardella, at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.